I'm not waiting for her to say she love me. I can tell she fuck with me, man, trust me. I got a 10-year-old.
Y'all see the drip?
I don't know. It's been okay. I don't know how.
Spanish. You're getting Portugal. Oh.
Cacio Pepe.
Casio Pepe.
What was it called?
Don't say Pepe. You could be from Love Island.
Perfect. Wow, look at that. So delicious.
Wait.
We had all this flown in from Italy. Yum. Look at my girl out here. Look at her. Look at my girl. Aye. This ace right here.
Spanish, so it don't matter. It means pussy in Puerto Rico.
Wow, so beautiful. Magical is this tree. Like, I'm out in nature, letting the sun touch my skin and the mosquitoes taste my blood. It's giving Isaac Newton. Chicken sausage, pecan waffles, blueberry waffles, steak, toast.
Yeah, but they were smoking drinks.
Pistachio on pizza. Yeah, we real different. You never seen this.